Oh, that is warm. Good evening, everybody. Happy winter solstice. Oh, that's so warm. Oh, it's a mood. As you can see, I definitely, as you can see, I've got the fire going. Got a bonfire going. Yeah, it's the shortest day of the year today. The longest night, the shortest day. And it's a pretty cold one too. It's about 4 degrees at the moment, which is cold for England. Yeah, I've got a lot of stuff that needs clearing, but it's going to rain tomorrow, so it's nice. Luckily, a very good night to do this. Oh. Wow. I'm standing about 2 meters away from the fire because it's so hot. Oh. Yeah, well, in my opinion, I believe that today is the day that the year begins. Every day from now will be the day where everything becomes lighter. Each day will become very slightly longer, about a minute or so longer. So it's all uphill from here. Everything's gonna get lighter again. It's a new beginning. We still have Yule to celebrate. Whew. Oh, that is hot. Yeah, so in this garden I have so much stuff to burn, so much foliage, so many branches and offcuts, so much stuff to burn, but the thing is, it's just been so wet. Wet and wet and wet and rainy for the past month. Today's been the only nice day we've had in such a long time here in England, where it's just been so horrendously wet all the time. But at least it's been nice on the winter solstice, so can't ask for too much, can you? So all in all, today's been actually it's been a good day. A friend of mine and I went down to these cliffs called St Margaret's near Dover. Got some nice shots of the countryside. Going out later with my best friend for a couple of winter solstice drinks. Order some drinks, whatever. Well, I'm getting there. It's just so warm. It's about 4 degrees outside at the moment, but this fire is just so warm. Oh, this is what life is about. Going outside topless and burning some wood. Well, it's probably more to life than that, but that's one of the things. Anyway, thank you all for watching this video. Love you all. See you in the next video. And happy winter solstice, happy new year. And Merry Christmas. Bye.